How to create a Roblox account step by step. First of all, you simply have to download the application itself onto your device. So go ahead and launch your device's App Store, search for the Roblox application and proceed to download it. Once the application itself is downloaded, you simply have to tap on this play button and you will be sent to this home page or login page. Now, once you're here within the login page, just like this, you simply have to tap on this sign up option. Once you tap on this, you should be redirected to this new window where you can continue this within the application. Once you tap on it, now you simply have to input your details such as enter your birthday, pick a username, create a password, and also select gender, which is optional. However, I have already signed into my account, but you simply have to follow the steps. Now you simply have to submit and verify your account. Click the sign up option, solve the CAPTCHA, then explore the dashboard just like this. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.